stitching together panoramic photos with AutoStitch and have DG2 project files. This format stores panorama compositions for the popular image stitching application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you work with these AutoStitch Panorama project files. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single DG2 file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. Users encounter DG2 files when saving a project in AutoStitch, a program for automatically stitching multiple photos into a seamless panorama. This file contains references to the source images and calculated alignment data, allowing the user to re-render the panorama without reanalyzing the images. The DG2 file is a proprietary data format that stores metadata and transformation matrices for a set of source images. It's designed to save the computationally expensive results of the SIFT, Scale-Invariant Feature Transform analysis, enabling rapid project reloading and adjustments for the final panoramic render. The most common market-leading program for DG2 is AutoStitch from Matthew Brown and David Lowe. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read. Windows supports minimal insight into data files, so proper viewing depends on the target application. The first action is to find a compatible app. Right-click your DG2 file and click Open With. Test AutoStitch if available. If it is unavailable, choose another program. We need to find the specific decoder. If the DG2 file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Understanding the failure makes the fix easier. Before we use the universal tool, let's examine the common technical reasons behind this persistent error. First, opening an AutoStitch. Install AutoStitch from Cloudburst Research and open the DG2 file directly through the application. AutoStitch loads the complete panorama project, allowing you to refine stitching parameters, add or remove source images, and export the final composition to standard image formats like JPEG or TIFF. Next, using mobile versions. AutoStitch is also available as a mobile app for iOS and Android. Mobile versions may not directly support desktop DG2 files, but provide similar panorama creation functionality. Use the mobile app for field stitching, then transfer source images to desktop for refinement in DG2 projects. Finally, trying alternative stitchers for legacy DG2 files. When AutoStitch is unavailable, use alternative panorama tools like PTGE Hugin or Microsoft ICE. Image Composite Editor. While these cannot read DG2 directly, they can restitch the original source images, producing similar panoramic results with different software workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.